Panda, let's jump in this big puddle. Oh, and you guys should come too. Okay, 1, 2, 3, splash. Wow, did you see that? The puddle sparkled. Let's try another one. Look, this one has swirly patterns. And this one looks like it goes on forever. Hi everybody, why haven't you subscribed yet? Everybody hurry up and subscribe to join me and all my friends on my fun-filled adventures. Zaza, look, this puddle has tiny rainbow fish. Gotta go. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and leave comments. We'd love to hear from you. Bye.